ladies and gentlemen. Part three and the final part of the Penny Lab investigation is to take this Word document that you already filled out during the experiment, this data here for heads and tails. So you should have totals, averages, and all the other numbers for the two tables filled in. In order to get these two bar graphs filled in, we're going to have to export this document out to Notability. Now, don't worry that the two are stacked. Once we send it out to Notability, the formatting will take care of itself. Pay attention here in the upper right-hand corner, and we will go and get our menu going. The three-dot tool gets us to share and export down here, lower in the menu, share and export. We want to send a copy. Send a copy with the curved arrow, and it will default to PDF. We want a PDF file going out. Exporting out to Notability. It takes a moment, and then you get to choose where it will go. I will scroll over, find Notability, send it there. Now the main purpose to do this is I'm selecting a new note, and I want this to go to unit 0. So the subject there, you can select this, make sure it's going to unit 0. Upper right hand corner, import. Import, and it's very quick. It's done. Now I need to follow it. So I'm going to press the home button on my iPad, get me over to Notability real quick. And as mentioned earlier, I need to track this down. This is a fresh copy on the top, old copy below. I'll go ahead and open up this fresh one. Actually, I'll open up the old one just to save some time. I already did some drawing on it. If I scroll down here to the two tables, notice that I've already pre-filled in using the drawing tools. This pen tool, select the width of your pen, different colors of your pen, and then go ahead and shade in the values that you got for each test for heads and tails. I will save you the time of showing you how I did this. Play around. You can get straight lines. Anyway, that's important to do. When you come down here, actually, another important part is drawing conclusions. Does your data support or reject the initial hypothesis? This is a really important point. And to do that, you're going to have to make sure to include data and numbers to support your claim. So your claim is that the hypothesis either is supported or rejected, and you're going to use the results or data from above to support that using numbers, okay? So I like to use the averages or something like that. Then we have a couple follow-up questions that you can look through at your own time here. Do we have any ideas why we got the results we did? How that was able to stack up so high on that penny in the first place? Why did one get more than the other, if that was the case? And then the main question remains here is, how do we get this back to me? How do we send this copy back to the assignment? And if you go ahead and look at the lower left corner, you're going to see a box with an arrow going up. That's the export tool. Send this out through Google Drive. Make sure it's a PDF. Send it. And you get to select which folder it's going to. I will select Unit 0. And I think it went there already. Let's see. I'll follow that step again. Yes, see how the folder choices are there? If yours doesn't go to Unit 0, I'd already done this. You have to load this up a little bit. Mine's a lot going on here. I would go ahead and put mine to unit 0. I've got a lot of folders. Don't worry about that. Just go ahead and select out. I'm going to keep it defaulting over to unit 0. Send it there again. And now you have basically a permanent file in your Google Drive. Just to go and find that, I'm going to go to Drive, and I will go back to Recents. It should be up near the top, hopefully. Yes, there it is. There's a PDF red logo, red and white, and it shows me the file we were just working on together. That will have data in the middle on page 1, and sure enough, the 2 graphs that I showed you with some of these highlighted points. So that's not enough though. That's on your computer. You need to get it back to Neo. So to do that, go to the 3 dots, upper right, click in there, turn on your link sharing, okay? That's off, that's on. So when you've got it turned on, it says link copied automatically. Make sure that you do that. If you missed that step, you can also double check and say copy link. Say, okay, I've got a link copied to the clipboard. Now all you have to do is go back to Neo, find the assignment, and paste it right back in there, okay? On your assignment, the answer box will be open for submitting. Just paste this in and save and submit, and you have turned in your Penny Lab. All right, congratulations for making it through the videos. I'll see you very soon in Zoom.